Kanina, live of a band. Of a band. Ito si Zildjian. Hey. What gonna say for today? What do you wanna say to the viewer we have here right now?
What?
What you say to you?
My father is outside. Don't
What?
use bad words.
Lasa mo na konti yung clean.
Ano nararamdaman mo right now, ha? Ay, Boom! Sup?
Okay lang. Okay lang. Game na. We can start na, guys.
Mag-inter ba tayo?
Oo, syempre.
Okay, agad
game
na
sa
ba?
akin.
Goodbye. Okay. Mas maging time ito, nakaboxer tayo lahat.
Baka pinansuntok kita sa boxer.
Ha?
Head rush, MX-5. Shoutout kay Yuno dyan, pare. Uy! What you mean, bro? You big to that. Step on that. Oh my God.
Eh, talk to the mic! Oh! Wait lang. See you mamaya sa SM Central. So, ito po yung mga nangyayari. Mga typical na nangyayari sa 670 rehearsals. Ano mo masasabi mo, sir? Lapit.
Bakit?
Anong masasabi mo sa concert mamaya, ha?
Ha?
Anong sabi mo sa concert natin mamaya, ha?
Maganda mamaya.
May ganda daw mamaya. Ito kay ano. Kay Burloloy.
Ha? Ano masasabi mo sa concert namin?
Diskarte o diploma. Last one to interview Mike Jensen. What?
Talk to the mic.
Hello? Smells like shit.
Ay, gagi.
Talk to the mic.
Hello. Hello.
Hey guys, we're opening the gate.
Yes.
Hi. Sir, hi ma'am.
Hi. Hi, back mo na naman yan.
Really hot. It's super hot right
Where
now.
are we?
We are at Ayala Harbor Point right now.
Enter!
Ba't nandito kayo sa backstage?
Wala lang, tatambay lang.
Kita ikaw, bro.
Hinay-hinay.
Yung ano, yung clip kasi lumang isa.
Pero isa-send, dito naman isa-send yung sa'yo.
Okay.
moments before performance. Hey, what's up, man? Sound kiss.
Galingin nyo, galingin. Bless mo, galingin nyo,
Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Good luck, guys. Biawin.
Hey, bro.
Video kasi.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Sticks!
Hey guys, so we just got home. We're just converting the files na sa so tired. Masaya siya kasi nakasama namin yung mga inspirasyon namin and ayun, it was a blast kasi first ever big performance namin sa aming hometown and yun, sobrang saya lang. From Bino, do this. Yes. Tapos ayun, after namin dito, magpapahinga na kami. Then, thank you for watching guys. Bye! Say bye-bye! Say bye-bye! 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 Bye-bye!